Moving on now to the latest on the coronavirus outbreak. In the last 24 hours, the number of coronavirus cases here in the U.S. has grown. Officials in Oregon just announced a preliminary positive case of the virus, which happens to be the first case in that state. And this news comes after another new case was reported in California. Worldwide, there are now more than 85,000 confirmed cases. So far, 2,900 people have died, most of those deaths reported in China. And new this morning, Iran says an additional 43 people have died there, and almost 600 new cases have been reported. Now, while there are no cases of the virus in Connecticut yet, the state is doing what it can to prepare for potential patients. Connecticut's public health lab was just approved to run testing for the coronavirus. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal is live right outside the Rocky Hill lab with more on what this means. Break it down for us, Aya.
Hi, Nicole. Well, this is important because test results can be completed within 24 hours of arriving here at this lab. Now, previously, those results would have to be shipped to the CDC headquarters in Atlanta, and that quick turnaround is really important for once there are eventually cases here in Connecticut. Officials say now is the time to prepare, not panic. As the number of coronavirus cases across the globe go up, scientists here in Connecticut are making sure they're ready for the worst case scenario. The Connecticut Department of Public Health Lab in Rocky Hill is now fully capable of conducting testing for the coronavirus. Potential patients will provide a swab, which will be sent to the lab for testing. Meanwhile, a Meriden research facility is working on a vaccine for the deadly virus. The Protein Sciences biotech company worked on the SARS vaccine back in 2002. They now have a timeline for development.
We hope to be starting the preclinical work with the vaccine candidate in about 6 months. 6 months to 12 months after that, we hope to be in the clinic, and 36 to 48 months, we would hope that the vaccine would be approved by the regulatory authorities.
And back here in Rocky Hill, scientists at the State Public Health Lab will also be looking very closely at who patients had contact with and also where they traveled from. And that's because there are a lot of similarities between the flu and the coronavirus. So scientists here want to make sure that they don't waste any tests. We're live this morning in Rocky Hill. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.